Oh, get something on the cork here. Ooh. Oh man, this trout might make the cut. Keep him on long enough. Oh damn it, don't do that. Come on Travis, you're gonna lose him. Maybe not. Man, he inhaled that jerk shrimp. Let's see. Gotta be right above the barcode. Oh yeah, he'll make the cut.